Welcome. If you've ever wanted more control over who can comment on your Snapchat post without manually approving every single one, this quick update is exactly what you need. Snapchat has made it easier to manage your comments by letting you automatically approve comments from your friends. That means less hassle for you and a smoother experience for the people you trust most. Let's walk through how to turn this feature on. First, open your Snapchat app. Once you're on the main screen, look up to the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page. Next, find the settings icon in the top right corner. It looks like a small gear. Tap on it to open your settings menu. Now, scroll down through the settings until you see the section labeled Privacy Control. Under this section, tap on Comment Settings. This is where you can customize how comments work on your snaps. Once you're inside comment settings, you'll see different options. Look for the one that says Auto Approve My Friends. Go ahead and select